First, we will see the popular Aula F75, a 75% mechanical keyboard that skillfully combines functionality, design, and versatility. Its compact layout retains function and arrow keys while omitting the numpad, offering an ideal streamlined design. With Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, it caters to users who value convenience and flexibility. Available in 7 stylish color options and equipped with 3 linear switch choices like the smooth Leobog Reapers, the F75 ensures a satisfying typing experience. The stabilizers are well calibrated, minimizing rattle and delivering a refined feel straight out of the box. Despite its predominantly plastic build, the keyboard feels substantial thanks to a silicone dampening layer that enhances both sound and durability. Features like double-shot keycaps, hot swappable switches, and reliable wireless modes elevate its appeal. While its software may lack advanced options and modding might be a challenge, the Aula F75 delivers an impressive out-of-the-box experience. Here is another good keyboard called the Rainy 75. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to mechanical keyboards, this one deserves your attention. Compact yet functional, the Rainy 75 boasts a sleek CNC aluminum build, ensuring durability and style. One of its standout features is the eye-catching reflective glass back, which makes a bold statement. Pre-lubed violet linear switches offer smooth keystrokes, and double-shot PBT keycaps ensure durable markings. The hot swappable sockets will allow you to customize switches without soldering, giving you the freedom to fine-tune your typing experience. Besides, wireless 2.4 GHz connectivity paired with software compatibility makes this keyboard versatile enough for both serious work and casual gaming. Plus, its innovative gasket mounting adds a touch of luxury by enhancing typing comfort and reducing noise. If you've been waiting for a mechanical keyboard with premium features at an affordable price, the Rainy 75 could be the ideal fit for your setup. Next, we have the Royal Kludge N80, a low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard designed to enhance your typing experience. Built with ABS plastic keycaps and low-profile hot swappable switches, the N80 offers smooth typing with tactile brown or linear red switch options. These switches are pre-lubed for optimal performance, providing a responsive feel with reduced noise. Its 3 layers of sound-absorbing padding, including silicone dampeners, ensure a quiet and satisfying keystroke. One of its standout features is its smart display and knob control. The display allows you to manage connectivity and RGB settings, and even upload custom GIFs via the free software. The intuitive knob provides seamless control over volume, modes, and more. Connectivity is a breeze with tri-mode options: wired USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, or 2.4 GHz wireless. With customizable RGB lighting, a minimalist design, and a big battery that delivers up to 115 hours of use, the N80 is perfect for both work and play. The Monsgeek M1 is a premium mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking customization and performance. Its anodized aluminum body is durable and sleek, with a 75% layout and a 5-degree typing angle for comfort. The keyboard has a south-facing, hot swappable PCB compatible with 5-pin switches, vibrant RGB lighting, and pre-installed PE and PCB foam for better sound and a satisfying typing feel. The included stabilizers with transparent housings and gold wires ensure smooth and reliable key presses. Customizability is a key highlight, with multiple plate options: polycarbonate, FR4, aluminum, and POM, allowing users to fine-tune the feel. A metal volume knob provides convenient control, doubling as a mute button, although its grip could be improved. Monsgeek also includes mod-friendly accessories like pre-made tape and Teflon pads for those seeking additional refinements. Switches and keycaps are sold separately, encouraging a fully personalized build. With newer versions like the V3 and V5, Monsgeek continues to innovate, making the M1 an exceptional choice for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. The Womier SK75 is a standout 75% mechanical keyboard for keyboard enthusiasts. Its sleek design features a durable aluminum chassis, giving it a premium look and feel. The keyboard has double-shot PBT keycaps that resist wear and ensure a comfortable typing experience. Pre-installed with Womier Mint Blizzard linear switches, The SK75 offers a smooth, clacky typing feel that's ideal for long typing sessions or gaming marathons. Its hot swappable sockets allow easy customization, supporting 5-pin switches to cater to your specific preferences. The south-facing RGB lighting is exceptionally bright and fully customizable, enhancing aesthetics while maintaining compatibility with a variety of keycaps. The SK75 also includes wireless connectivity via a 2.4 GHz dongle, offering flexibility for users who value clutter-free setups. Its gasket-mounted structure ensures stability, though it's slightly firmer, appealing to those who prefer less bounce. With support for VIA software, the keyboard allows key remapping and macro programming, making it highly adaptable to individual needs. The Womier SK75 combines style, functionality, and durability, making it a top choice for keyboard enthusiasts. Okay, now let's see the Leobog Hi75 keyboard, a bold contender in the mechanical keyboard world, offering premium features at a budget-friendly price. Its gasket mount structure offers a softer, more satisfying typing experience with decent flex, especially when modded for maximum performance. Built with a full aluminum body, this keyboard is durable and stylish. A standout feature is its support for hot swappable switches, making customization effortless. With tactile, clicky, and linear switch options, your typing experience is both smooth and versatile. The Hi75 boasts a unique aesthetic, available in a variety of colors, though the stock knob's bold design might not suit every taste. While it lacks wireless connectivity and open-source software like VIA or QMK, its flex-cut PCB and cushioned gaskets ensure a premium feel. The Leobog Hi75 is a solid entry point for anyone venturing into custom keyboards. It balances affordability and functionality, proving that a budget-friendly board can deliver an exceptional typing experience. The Gamakay TK75 HE keyboard is a stylish, compact option perfect for gamers and professionals. It offers seamless multi-mode connectivity, allowing you to switch between wired, Bluetooth, and USB transmitter connections. Powered by a 4,000 mAh battery, it provides up to a week of use on a single charge, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed with a sleek blue and white color scheme, this keyboard complements most desk setups. Its Hall effect switches, utilizing magnetic field sensing technology, ensure smooth, precise keystrokes without physical contact, providing a quieter and more durable typing experience. Plus, with hot swappable support, you can easily swap switches without soldering. The keyboard also features vibrant RGB lighting with multiple presets, though the backlighting doesn't pass through the keycaps. The aluminum volume knob serves as both a volume control and play-pause button, and it's removable for customization. Overall, the Gamakay TK75 HE is a performance-driven, aesthetically pleasing keyboard suitable for gaming, work, or both. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.